Hey, you! Yeah, I'm talking to you. Look at yourself. Are you really happy with what you see? If not, don't worry. I've got your back. It's time to take control and shed those stubborn pounds. I'm here to guide you through the best diet plan that's simple, effective, and guaranteed to help you lose weight fast. Let's do this together. The first step is knowing your daily calorie needs. Use a calorie calculator to find your maintenance level and eat at a deficit. This is the foundation of your weight loss journey. Next, focus on a high-protein, low-carb diet. Stick to lean proteins, vegetables, and healthy fats while cutting down on those unhealthy carbs. Your body will thank you. Ever tried intermittent fasting? The 16-to-8 method is powerful. Eat during an 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours. It boosts your metabolism and burns fat more effectively. Staying hydrated is essential. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily to boost your metabolism and keep your body functioning at its best. Meal planning and prepping will save you from making unhealthy choices. Plan your meals ahead, stick to your plan, and you'll see results faster than you can imagine. Follow this diet plan and you'll be amazed by the results. Make sure to subscribe and comment below if you're ready to start your weight loss journey. Let's do this.